Not Unati getting a backlash from social media. It is true when they say the internet doesn't forget. Hi, your family. Welcome to All Trending Zanzi. But you're all aware of the ongoing situation between actress Navana and actor Bongo Koza regarding the sexual allegations that Navana has stated against Bongo Koza. The Red Ink has finally released a statement to try and put certain things clear regarding these trending allegations. And multiple people have shared the statement, including actress and presenter Lerato Mvelasi. She captioned it, Batarabam Kosi, wives must pray for their husbands, mothers must pray for their sons, and sisters must pray for their brothers. It looks like an innocent post, right? Well, there was nothing wrong with that post until Unati posted it by saying, as a boy mom, I am grateful that the Bomb production released this EU. But Kosi, right there and then, the former Kaya FM radio presenter and the Idols judge was chowed online. But Kosi, people were commenting non-stop. It even went to Twitter where people were saying, Haibo, as a boy's mom, what are you saying, Unati? They then went back, Batarabum Kosi, to the sagas that she had alleged for her former colleague and radio presenter Sizwe Lomo at the Kaya FM radio station. Hi, Sham, Batarabum Kosi. Let us see on what Tweep had to say. Abo, as a mom, are the type of parents who always choose husbands, uncles, brothers, perpetrators who are victimizing their kids. They are the initiators, less sought out as a family. When those precious sons kill people, they act surprised as if they didn't know, a tweep said. Unati tried the same thing with Sizwe. It's funny how she suddenly understands the boy child now. She's really cringe for doing this, another one stated. One thing about SA female celebs, they never publicly side with the alleged perpetrator. In this case, they are coming out in numbers. Maybe they know something we don't know yet, Nina. Know it all, yeah, ne? Another one suggested. Yo, ay, kuningi impela. What do you really think about this? Imagine commenting, thinking that you are basically supporting the other person who's being accused, only for people to not even mind that you're supporting that particular person, but to remind you of your bad deeds that you did in the past, stating that now when you're acknowledging the boy, or else you once accused the boy with lies, allegedly. Sham, the internet really doesn't forget. Whatever you say you do will forever stick to your brand, no matter what you try to do in the future. But then, Gossip, please do leave your comments down below. What do you think about this whole Unati situation? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Bye.